Visual art can be incorporated into any part of the curriculum. In order to make sure your young learners feel empowered to bring art into their work, allow them to be independent with the resources. One great way to achieve this is to have a creation station, an area of the classroom that is well stocked with art materials and resources. When creating your art materials stash, consider a mix of coloured paper of different sizes, paints, brushes, charcoal and pastels. The independence allows the children to really use their creativity and make choices, perfecting techniques they have learnt and experimenting with different materials. You can even have one learner allocated as a manager, responsible for stocking this area, with a budget to spend on a termly basis. A fantastic way to integrate real-life learning into your classroom.